12 months ago, I got this bike. 210 brake horsepower, 124 Newton meters of torque, of brute power. This Japanese maniac became mine and mine alone.
Backseat, you don't have to say sorry. You don't have to say sorry. No, no. Go on and tell me all the things you really want to. Tell me what you're holding.
Now it is time for the 1-year service. What is the total cost associated with the service? What are the parts that need to be replaced? That is what is going to be covered in this video.
The pilots, with the pilots, they keep saying time is science. But baby, with the pilots, we'll arrive and whenever we want tonight. Baby, with the pilots, oh, baby, we are the pilots.
Please make sure to watch the previous video if you already haven't watched it. I've already covered the 1-month service and the 6-month service already on my channel. Please do make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel to make sure you do not miss out any future content. My brake pads are worn away. So now as part of every servicing, what they also check is the life of brake pads, because normally what happens with such super sports and super bikes is the brake pads are the first to wear off, okay? Because it's understandable that when you're going with such high velocity, you want to apply brakes and you want to bring the vehicle to a stop, right? So normally in other vehicles, what happens is the back brake pads are the first one to wear off, but in this bike, the front brake is what you normally apply. So I need to replace both the front 2 pairs and the rear 1 pair. If you guys have seen my previous videos, in the 1-month ownership review, I had shown you the 3 pairs of brake pads. And in the 6-month service, I had changed my rear brake pads. But now in this video, I need to change all 3 pairs of brake pads. But will I go for the OEM or will I buy it on my own? And if I'm buying it on my own, will I go for the OEM brand, the EBC brand, or the Brembo brake pads? That is what is going to be covered in this video. What do you want? 1, 2, 3 third service. Yeah. No. Brake pads, don't change it. No. I will change it outside. Don't change it. What are the odds? Look at this. They are promoting some game or some puzzle where, you know, they are doing Squid Game. So, you know, this, whatever, if you guys remember in the series as well, this is what you use to enter the game. So, like I told you guys, hamesha kuch na kuch hota hi rehta hai in all of our videos. So, please do make sure to subscribe to the channel. So, guys, this, as you guys can see, this is the air filter which is presently on my bike, okay? So unfortunately the life is over. So like he's telling me, the service manager, that if there was a 70% or 80% degradation and 20% life, I could have used it, but right now I need to replace it. So just be aware. I asked him what is the normal odor or mileage that I can get on this. He's telling it completely depends on usage. So unfortunately I need to change this right now. And this is the OEM one. Okay, this is the Kawasaki branded one. So it costs around 4,500 rupees. However, one thing that you guys do need to know is, if you go for this Kawasaki wala, right, this is a one-time use. So this was also a one-time use. So since it's OEM, so use it once and then throw it. Whereas if you go for the other branded ones or the aftermarket ones, let's say your Brembo or your K&N or whatever other BMC air filters, whatever it is, so that you can reuse it. However, the cost is double. The cost is around 9,000. That completes the 1-year service. So the Odo is 7,115 kilometers and the total cost, as you guys can see in this bill, has come up to 10,414 rupees. So you guys might be wondering how come the 6-month service was more expensive than the 1-year service. The reason being is that I had got the chain lubrication done 1 week back itself. Okay, so the chain, I had not used the bike for like around 2 weeks, 3 weeks. so the chain had started rusting. So that is why I had to get the chain loop done on a priority basis, and that is why I've already paid 1,300 1,500 for chain lubrication. So the 10,400 division is they've replaced engine oil, they've changed the oil filter, and they've changed the gasket. Now my primary concern was how come the coolant has not been topped up. Then when I looked into the gauge, it was already above F. That is the reason they did not replace it. Well, there you have it, guys. That is all the things that will be replaced during your 1-year service. Okay, that is your engine oil, your oil filter, and coolant as required. The highlight of today's video was the fact that I came across this digital marketing company where, because they have completed 3rd year anniversary, they are promoting a puzzle. Okay, and in that puzzle, you solve that puzzle, you are going to get a handsome cash reward. The name of the company and the details of the contest will be linked down in the description below, and also the pinned comment. So please make sure to check it out. Well, that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This completes the 1-year service. Well, stay tuned, because the follow-on of this video is obviously going to be my 1-year review of this beast. So I've had this bike for 12 months. I've had this bike for 7,115 kilometers, and I've done a top speed of 296. So all of this will be covered in that video. Please do make sure you stick around and watch that video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, because you do not want to miss that video. Also, my Jeep has completed 50,000 kilometers, so that is another video coming up where I will be discussing about my 50,000 kilometer review of my Jeep Compass. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.